Right.
Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is where we're going to be learning every single step in Luganda and everything concerning about Luganda. So now, today let's learn how to speak and call the family members in Luganda from English and Luganda. So, in Luganda or in every family, we have the head of the family who is called father. Father. In Luganda we say, or we call him Tata. 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 Father, we call him Tata. So, the second person in the family, we have mother. Mother. In Luganda, we call that person mama. Mama. In a family, we have children. Children. In Luganda, we call them abana. Abana. Again, we have child. Child. In Luganda, we call omwana. Because it is one, we add on omwana. When they are many, we call them abana. So, we have brother. Brother. We call that person baba. Baba. And then we have sister. But now, here it is a bit complicated. Brother, baba, it works when you are the same sex. From same mother, same father, but the same sex. Boy a boy, we call brother. Sister to a sister, the same baba. Boy to a boy, baba. Sister to a sister, baba. But when it is different sex, same mother, same father, we call that person mwanyinaze. When you were a boy talking to your sister, you call that person mwanyinaze. When you were a girl talking to a brother, we call that person mwanyinaze. Okay, then we have what we call auntie. In Luganda we say senga. Senga. Here, this person is a sister to your father. A sister to your father is called senga. So, we're going to be seeing or looking at these people in a family, how we call them. Okay. Father is tata. Mother is mama. Children, abana. Child, omwana. Brother, baba. But as I told you, it works, baba works on same sex. Same sex. Girl to a girl, baba. A boy to a boy, baba. Different sex, you now change to mwanyinaze. Sister, a girl to a boy, mwanyinaze. From all sides. Aunt senga. Senga is a sister to your father. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. This is where you're going to learn everything. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel and you're going to learn everything. And tell others to also subscribe.